together today, and we are going to be talking more about money. You talked about and have been working on coins. Today we're going to talk about bills. And I want to show you the different bills. I am missing one bill, but I'll let you know about that when I get to it. So the first bill I want to talk about is this guy. This is a dollar bill. That's what it looks like on the back. This guy is called a dollar bill, and it's worth $1. $1, which is also the same as 100 cents. So if you have 100 pennies, it's the same as this guy. Now, all of our bills are the same size. See, they're all the same size. Unlike coins, they're different size and different colors. The way we tell our money, our bills apart, are by the numbers that are on them and the pictures, but mostly we can look at the number to know how many dollars we have. So this is a $1 bill, and on the front there is a guy that we've talked about this year, George Washington, our first president, and the person who our state was named after. Do you remember that? Washington. So that's a $1 bill. Then we have this, another guy we've talked about this school year, that is Abraham Lincoln. This is a $5 bill. We know it is a $5 bill because it has a 5 on it, and it also says $5. So this is the $5 bill. Here's the back. Again, a giant 5 there, so we know that it is a $5 bill. Then we have this one. This is, what do you think? Look right there. What number is that? That is a $10 bill. $10 bill. Then we have this one. This is, what do you think? Eva, what do you think? A $20 bill. It also says $20 down here. Lets us know. And then the one that I'm missing is a $50 bill. There is a $50 bill, but I don't have it. I searched my house and couldn't find a $50 bill. But I do have this one, which was pretty exciting that I found this. This is a $100 bill, and it says 100. And this has Benjamin Franklin on it, which is somebody we read a story about too. So this is a $100 bill. It's worth $100. And then a bill that you don't see very often and you probably won't be using much in your life is this guy. It's a $2 bill. You don't see it very often, and my kids just get this, have gotten this from the bank when we handed a bunch of coins. They usually give my kids a $2 bill, which is fun. You don't see them very much. So if you have a $2 bill, I would say hold on to it because they're very rare. That means there's not very many of them. So today we're going to work on counting the bills. If you have a mixture of bills, say I have, let's see how much money I have. Let's say, Isaac worked very hard and cleaned up his yard by pulling all the weeds. He even maybe helped his dad mow the lawn. And so his mom said, Isaac, you did a fantastic job, son. Here's some money. So how much money did Isaac get? Well, let's look at this. First, we want to do the same thing that we do with the coins. We want to put all the bills that are the same together. So I see a bunch of $1 bills. We're going to put all the $1 bills together. And I see some $5 bills. So we're going to put the $5 bills together. Then we want to make sure we have the bill that is the highest amount or value, the highest value, what is worth more, $1 or $5? 5 is bigger than 1. So we're going to put those first, and we're going to count those first, and then we'll count the dollar bills. So how many $5 bills do we have? We have 2, so we're going to count by 5s when we're counting $5 bills. So 5, 10, then we're going to count on our $1 bills. 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have $13 here. $13, not 13 cents. These are dollars. They're dollar bills. So we're working with dollars now. So we would say dollars at the end. So I also want to show you how we would write that. So $13. Here's how we would write that. Here's a dollar sign. It's an S with a line through it. Or sometimes you see two lines through. Oops, my marker's not working so well. Eek. Sometimes you can see two lines through it like that. So one or two lines is the same thing as a dollar sign. Okay, so we have $13. And the dollar sign actually goes in the front of the number. Unlike the cents, we usually put that in the back. So here we have $13. Okay, so that's how we would show that. Now, what if we have a mixture? Let's see. Do some more money here. Oh, so much money. Let's see who earned all this money. I think Isabel. Isabel, have you been working hard? Maybe you helped your neighbors and what could you have done for your neighbors for money? You could have cleaned up. Maybe they had a tree that fell down in the storm. Right now it's kind of rainy and stormy right by my house. Maybe, Isabel, we'll do Jacob too. You and Jacob worked together to help a neighbor pick up all the sticks in their yard. And your neighbor said, "Thank you, dear children. Here's some money to pay you for your work." So let's find out how much money Jacob and Isabel got. Here it is. Here's all the money they got. Woo! They got so much money. Let's find out how much it was. Remember, we have money here, and we want to put all the same bills that are all the bills that are the same together. So all the $1 bills together, all the $5 bills together, $10 bills, all the same kind together. So let me do that real quick. I have $2 bills. I have 3 $5 bills. And I have 2 $10 bills. So now, remember, we're going to put the bills that are worth the most first. So we're going to have our 10s because they're the highest value, 10. And then our 5s. And then we'll put our 1s with that, okay? And now let's count these. When we have a $10 bill, what do you think we're going to count by? What do you think, Joseph? Yeah, we're going to count by 10s when we're counting $10 bills. When we get to the $5 bills, what are we going to start counting by, Izzy? Yeah, 5. And when we get to the $1 bills, what are we going to start counting by, Eva? Yeah, we're going to count by 1s. So 10s, 5s, and 1s. So let's count these. So we're going to count the 10s first. So we're going to count by 10. So 10, 20. Now we're going to start counting by 5s. 25, 30, 35. Oh, now we're to the 1s. So now we want to start counting by 1s. 36, 37. So how much money is here? 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. 37 what? 37 rocks? 37 candies? 37 cents? No, $37. $37. So we would write our dollar sign, and then we would write 37. So here's how we would write $37. Or we could have the 2 lines here too. $37. Okay? So remember, it's the same thing as when we were doing with coins. You're going to gather them together by their kind. So you're going to put all the $10 bills together, all the $5 bills together, all the $1 bills together, and then you're going to start by counting the one that is worth the most. So if you have a 5, a 10, and a $5 bill, a $10 bill, and a $1 bill, which is worth more? Is it the $1 bill? No, it's the $10 bill. So the 10 is where you would start counting. Now, what if I had a $100 bill, a $10 bill, and a $5 bill? Which one would I count first? Well, the $100 bill is worth the most. So we would start counting with that, and then we would count on with the others. But you're not going to be working with $100 bills today in your work. You're just going to mostly be working with the $1 bills, the $5 bills, and the $10 bills. So you will need to remember that when you're counting the $10 bills, you're counting by 10. And when you're counting the $5 bills, you start counting by 5. And when you are counting the $1 bills, you're going to count by 1. All right. you have some work to do in your workbooks. You're going to do a great job with it. Take your time. Make sure your numbers are all going the correct way. Also, when you're finished, look over your work. Make sure you did all the problems. Make sure your numbers are going the correct way. And make sure you did your best work. All right, everybody, have a great day. Have fun with your money and you're counting your dollar bills and your $5 bills and your $10 bills. Have a great time. And I will see you tomorrow for phonics. All right, bye.